Alright guys, another dead Ford video here. So this is a 2017 Ford Explorer. Battery is done. Looks like it was leaking, but also it just died randomly. So we're just gonna go ahead and change the battery. The procedure to change the battery should be the same from 2011 to 2018, even with the body style change. So this is a 3.5 liter non-turbo, non-EcoBoost V6. Still same thing, same procedure. The battery's in the same spot. We're gonna go ahead and change it. First thing we want to do is remove the battery terminal off of the battery. Both the terminals on the battery are 10 millimeters, and you just have to make it loose. You don't have to remove it completely, and the terminal should come off. I always start with the negative terminal, just put it to the side, and then I'll go on to the positive side. Same thing, this nut over here, we're just gonna make it loose. Same thing, 10 millimeter, and once that's loose, we're gonna put that to the side too. So before I get any further, what I do is I go to the new battery, and usually the new battery comes with these caps. So I'm gonna take both of these caps off, and what I'll do now is I'll put it on my old battery. So in case I'm working on it, if there's any metal contact onto these terminals, it won't spark and it won't scare me. So yeah, and now we're gonna remove these. They also look like 10 millimeters. We'll go ahead and try with my 10. Yeah, they're 10s, and we're just gonna completely remove these nuts, and then we could take this bracket off that holds the battery in place, and then take the battery out and then throw in the new battery. So after removing those two nuts, this bracket comes off, and we're gonna go ahead and just pull the battery right out. All right, there we go. Now that we got the battery out, we're just gonna put it right here. And now the same caps I took off, I'm gonna put back on this battery, just so when I'm working on it, I don't spark anything again. You don't have to do this, I just like doing it for myself. And we're gonna go ahead and take the new battery, we're gonna put it back in the car. The red part goes here, positive. Just slide right into the spot. There we go. And go ahead and take the bracket first, throw it on there. Put these screws on. Put this screw on. Now I'm gonna go ahead, tighten down these screws on the bracket, and then we're gonna connect the battery back. I always start with the positive cable first, and then I go with the negative cable. So we're gonna put the positive terminal back on, and we're gonna tighten that up first. Put the cover back on. Be careful with the negative. Don't touch the metal because it might spark when you put it on, and it didn't, so we're okay. Then we're gonna tighten this up. Now we're gonna hop in. Make sure it starts. Boom, just like that. She's running good. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video.